Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You're ready to start. Make sure Facebook is updated and signed in. First, open the Facebook app and tap the menu. You'll need to allow contacts access. Go to Settings, Apps, or Privacy and enable contacts for Facebook. Once done, return to the app and tap the Friends or People tab. This connects your phone book to Facebook's Find Friends feature. You're not adding anyone yet. You're simply enabling Facebook to compare contacts so it can suggest matches from your address book. Now sync your contacts. In the People or Find Friends section, tap Upload Contacts or Sync Contacts. Facebook will upload and match phone numbers and emails from your address book. This can take a minute depending on size. As results appear, scan suggested profiles and check mutual friends to confirm identity. If a name looks familiar, tap the profile to verify photos or workplace before sending a friend request. Make sure you only add people. Finish by sending friend requests or messages to confirm who's who. Click Add Friend for clear matches, or message first if you're unsure. If you see no matches, go back to phone settings to confirm contacts permission, then resync in Facebook. Sometimes toggling permission forces an update. If privacy concerns arise, go to Facebook Settings, Media and Contacts and delete uploaded contacts. This removes synced data. One key troubleshooting tip: clear the app cache or reinstall if syncing still fails.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.